I just wanted to give an update for my PB500NX. That's this Pit Boss Lexington pellet grill I've had since 2023, November of 2023, just under 3 years old, and had very little problems with it, and I use it above average, several times a week, sometimes almost every day, at least once or twice a week. It's getting something cooked, long cooks, various times of the day as well. We use it as if it's our oven much of the year, even during the winter months. But just this last week, 5 days ago, it would not turn on. As a matter of fact, you'd get an error message. I went ahead and come on here and had some great friends from the community, including a Scott from Mile High guy. I had BCom and many others that went ahead and helped. They even started doing ChatGPT. We were live trying to diagnose this with me, and we'd come to the conclusion it might be the temperature sensor. So for $10, I said, why not? Let's give it a try. It did not work, unfortunately. So I went ahead and called Pit Boss, called their support team. They answered in less than 3 minutes. I was the next person in queue. There was no AI prompts. There was no hoops to go through. Very satisfied with the support. And they went ahead and had me linked to a video call because they were asking me an icon and I could not describe what it looked like. So they went ahead and put a video call and then went ahead and looked at it with me and had me go under the unit and look at some wires, trace some stuff, and said, yeah, they believe it's the auger. They're going to be shipping it to me. It'll be here probably in a week or so, probably ship Monday or Tuesday, I'd imagine. I did this on the weekend, but just wanted to give Pit Boss a shout out. And I get people all the time that will tell me or ask me, how has that Pit Boss doing after, a year, after 2 years? Well, we're almost 3 years in, haven't had much use or issues with it. And I use it a lot more than the average person. So it's almost like I need a commercial one because I just use it all the time. So for what I do, it has been great. Going to continue to be great. I'm sure I'll update you once this gets in. I'll create a little video of the install steps of the auger once it gets here. They're supposed to send instructions, and then we'll see if it don't get working. And see if we can't get back to cooking on this Pit Boss. This is Dolores's favorite one. She was telling me, because I said, well, we might just have to use the big green egg and charcoal and whatever for now. Oh, no, that's my favorite one. So, yeah, we're going to get it fixed for sure, especially under warranty. I mean, it's a no-brainer. But I just wanted to update everybody. We're going to get this going, and a big fan. I will continue to use these products. I know there's a number of products out there, and if you love what you have, perfectly fine. I wouldn't. I'm sure there's plenty of other ones, but when you have a great customer service experience, as I did with them, it just makes the product that much better. I'll see you guys soon when we get this thing back up and smoking.